Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Homelink Tesla Model Y full guide. Start by parking within range of the garage opener and turning on your Model Y touchscreen. Tap Controls, then Locks, then Homelink, and choose Add New. Follow on-screen prompts to name the device, press the garage remote when prompted, and test the connection using the car's button controls to confirm successful pairing. Begin by selecting Add New on the Homelink menu and choose your garage type when prompted. When the car asks, press the original remote near the front of the vehicle until the system learns the signal. If the vehicle offers rolling code or fixed code options, pick the correct one for your opener model and follow the confirmation sequence. Finally, name the Homelink device for easy voice and touchscreen access. If this video is helping you, please hit like and subscribe to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes keeping your garage entry and foyer tidy effortless, and it even works with voice control for hands-free cleanup after trips. It's a handy add-on for busy Tesla owners who want less dust and fewer errands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, first replace the garage remote battery and move the car closer to the motor unit. For rolling code systems, locate and follow the garage opener's Learn button procedure before retrying Homelink programming. You can also delete old Homelink entries in the car and start fresh. If nothing works, consult your garage opener manual or contact your opener manufacturer for specific sequence steps to synchronize with your Model Y.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.